In this video, we are going to demonstrate a BM201-VSD EVM Kit connected with an Intel NUC i7 computer running Ubuntu Linux for the mmWave data edge computing. First, follow the instruction required for configuring the VSD EVM Kit's Hat-Board jumpers for raw data environment. And with BM201 VSD mmWave module attached on top of the Hat-Board with power. Then connect the TX output of mmWave Hat-Board UART to EM110 Emulator and connect the emulator to the Intel NUC i7's USB port on the other end. Now edit the corresponding VSD Python code running raw data mode from our GitHub resource and enable the serial port communication on Intel NUC i7 running Ubuntu Linux. With BM201 VSD EVM Kit and Intel NUC i7 computer configured, we can execute VSD Python program at this point. Now you have the vital signs data running on the Intel NUC i7 edge computer. For more information, please contact us at Joybian. Thank you.